twin bridges, Clifton and Leyburn again. Water's right over top of this, of course. As you can see how high it got. Right up on top. We're standing with 6 foot of water. It's going right up that stone pile over there. You can see that. Been wrapped around it. All in all, the roads don't seem too bad, but they've closed the road off and they're booking people, so an expensive trip to work if it's going to book me every time I go past through it. And just go for a little walk down here, see the other bridge, see what it's like. Oh, Jesus Christ, well and truly over that metre mark. Just the debris alone went at 0.8. She certainly come rushing through here. As far as the eye could see would have been water. And this is all the water of the Dolby, Cunnamulla, not Cunnamulla, what do they call it? Chinchilla. All this water went all the way down there. There's not much left to the side of this bridge either. The bridge is still there. Not much around it, but big slabs of timber there. Washed off probably under the bridge. My God. Would have been raging. These things would have been flexing. Whoa! I put big girders under this one to hold it all up. Anyway, that's going back to Leyburn that way. And it's going back to Clifton that way. Very interesting.